If you want to schedule a meeting with multiple guests in Google Calendar, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is a simple way to organize team meetings, client calls, or group events without the back and forth of sending separate messages to everyone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create the event, add all your guests, find a time that works, and send out the invitation correctly. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account you want to use for the meeting. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the Create button, usually shown with a plus icon. Click Create, then choose Event. This opens the event setup window where you can build your meeting from scratch. Now enter the event name at the top. Give it a clear title so everyone understands what the meeting is about. For example, you might use something like Team Check-in, Client Meeting, or Project Review. After that, set the date and time for the event. Make sure the time is correct, and if this is a recurring meeting or longer appointment, adjust the duration as needed. The next step is very important because this is where you add everyone who needs to attend. Under Add Guests, type in the email addresses of all participants. You can add multiple guests one by one, and Google Calendar will recognize each address as you enter it. Take your time here and make sure every email is spelled correctly because one small typo can prevent someone from receiving the invitation. Once your guests are added, click Find a Time. This is one of the most useful features in Google Calendar because it helps you see when everyone is available. If your guests are all part of the same organization and their calendars are shared, Google will show availability so you can compare schedules more easily. Look through the available time slots and choose a time that works best for everyone. This can save a lot of time and reduce scheduling conflicts, especially when coordinating a large group. After you choose a suitable time, you can also add more details if needed. For example, if your meeting is in person, add a location so guests know where to go. If your meeting is online, you can add a video meeting link so people can join remotely. This is especially helpful for remote teams, virtual interviews, and online planning sessions. You can also include a short description or agenda so your guests know what to expect before the meeting begins. When everything looks good, double-check the event name, date, time, guest list, and any location or meeting link you added. This final review is important because it helps prevent mistakes before the invitation goes out. Once you're ready, click Save. Google Calendar will then ask if you want to send invitations to your guests. Click Send to invite all guests. That's what delivers the event details directly to their inboxes and adds the meeting to their calendars. And that's it. You've now scheduled a meeting with multiple guests in Google Calendar. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to keep everyone organized. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Google Tools guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.